Picture this. It is 7 a.m. on a rainy Tuesday. Your alarm is blaring, your head is pounding, and the absolute last place you want to go is the office. But you drag yourself out of bed anyway. Why? Because you have bills to pay. Now, imagine walking into your favorite coffee shop on the way to work. You buy a $6 latte without a second thought. It is just $6, right? Wrong. What if I told you that latte didn't actually cost you $6? What if it actually cost you 20 minutes of your life? And what if that new $1,000 phone didn't cost $1,000, but instead pushed your retirement date back by an entire month? Welcome to the concept of freedom units. Most of us have been trained to look at money all wrong. We look at a price tag and see a number. If we have that number in our bank account, we think we can afford it. But money is not just paper or digits on a screen. Money is stored human energy. You traded your limited, precious time on this earth to earn those dollars. When you buy something, you are not just spending money. You are spending a piece of your life. So let us change the currency. From now on, we are not pricing things in dollars. We are pricing them in freedom units. Here is how you calculate your personal freedom unit. First, we need to find your real hourly wage. This is not the salary on your contract. We have to peel back the layers. Take your monthly take-home pay after taxes. Now, subtract the hidden costs of working. Think about your commute gas, your parking fees, the clothes you only buy for the office, and those rushed lunches because you did not have time to meal prep. What is left? That is your true net income. Now, look at the hours. Do not just count the 40 hours you spend at your desk. Add the 5 hours you spend commuting every week. Add the hour you spend getting ready every morning. Divide your net income by those total hours. For many people earning a decent salary, their true hourly wage drops significantly. Let us say your true hourly wage is $20. That $20 bill in your wallet represents exactly 1 hour of your life. That is your base freedom unit. Now, let us go shopping. You see a beautiful designer jacket. The price tag says $400. Under the old way of thinking, you look at your credit card limit and say, yes, I can buy this. But under the freedom unit rule, you do the math. $400 divided by your $20 hourly wage is 20 hours. You look at the jacket and ask yourself, is this jacket worth 20 hours of sitting in meetings, dealing with stressful emails, and commuting in the rain? Is it worth 2.5 full working days of your life? Suddenly, the jacket does not look so appealing. But here is where the math gets truly mind-blowing. And this is the twist that most people completely miss. When you save that $20 instead of spending it and you put it into a simple index fund, that money starts to work for you. It compounds. Over time, that single freedom unit grows. If you invest that $400 instead of buying the jacket and let it compound at a conservative 8% for 25 years, that $400 turns into nearly $3,000. At your $20 hourly wage, $3,000 represents 150 hours of work. That is almost 4 full weeks of your life. By choosing not to buy that one jacket today, you did not just save $400. You bought yourself an entire month of freedom in the future. A month where you do not have to answer to a boss, check a calendar, or set an alarm. This is not about deprivation. It is not about living a boring life or never enjoying a nice dinner again. It is about conscious trading. It is about realizing that every time you swipe your card for something you do not truly need, you are choosing to work longer. You are choosing to stay trapped in the cycle just a little bit longer. But when you start calculating everything in freedom units, a strange thing happens. The urge to impulse buy fades away. You stop trying to keep up with the Joneses because you realize the Joneses are working until they are 70 to pay for their lifestyle. You start to value your time over temporary status symbols. You become the master of your money rather than its servant. So, let us start today. Look at the last 3 non-essential purchases you made. Convert them into freedom units based on your real hourly wage. Were they worth the hours of your life you traded for them? If you are ready to stop trading your life for things that do not matter and start building real, lasting freedom, hit that subscribe button. Let us walk this path together, 1 hour at a time. See you in the next video.